No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Hey, nieces and nephews, welcome to my Christmas special, or I should say my Christmas recap. I wanted you guys to see what we did for Christmas, and I want you to see what it's like over my house when I'm cooking Christmas dinner and how it turned out. First and foremost, I want to thank Miss Simple Meals by T-Vlog for inviting me to do the 12 Days of Christmas appetizers. That was so much fun. That made my Christmas. Thank you, T. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Rebecca, City Girl Homestead, Victoria, oh my goodness, all of you out there, thank you so much for writing to me. Joe, thank you so much for writing to me. And your pictures, that means it meant the world to me. Now, with further ado, I'm over here sitting by the Christmas tree and enjoying things. I want you to see what we did for Christmas, trying to cook the Christmas dinner. We had our ham in the oven. I put a honey glaze on top of that so it'd be just right. The corn pudding. And our Christmas cakes were baking away. You'll see about that later. We had a contest. Finally, Christmas dinner was done. Oh, look at that spread. Green beans, pot of chitlins, hey, if you know, you know. With spaghetti, coleslaw, oh yeah, like I said, if you know, you know. Ham came out lovely, so did the corn pudding. Then, of course, we've got our Mr. Turkey and our spaghetti once again, which seems to be getting lower and lower. I wonder why. Those cranberries were excellent. I don't care if they came out of the can. Yes, we sliced it up, getting it ready for eating. And check out these plates. Yes, that was mine, so what? Let me tell you, there's not a shred of that food left. Maybe some turkey, and that's about it. Yeah, my chitlins, my coleslaw, my spaghetti. Oh yeah, if you know, you know. Yeah, it got a little crazy. And then after that, y'all, check this out. Me and Jay decided to have a cake decorating contest. Not just any cake, but cakes shaped like Christmas trees. Vote for who won. Vote for who won. Check this out. And we're off. There we go, icing the cakes so elegantly. And then Javen had the wonderful idea of adding strawberries. Wish I had that idea. And I took the idea of adding marshmallows with a little food coloring, which kind of worked and didn't kind of work. I think Javen's came out better. But in the end, check it out. It was so much fun. Yeah, vote for me. No, vote for him. No. Okay. Vote for who you like. But I think his came out better. Yeah. That was interesting. I think Jay won. Now, when I was Christmas present shopping, I saw some very interesting things in the store. Some displays. Check these out.
Well, hey there. I've got a holiday bomb for you. And boy, it's a classic. Oh, you can join me if you want to. Here I go. It's the night before decoration was started. There was even a fire. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
And check this out. Yes, can you believe it? R2D2. R2D2 is one of my favorite characters from Star Wars, along with C3PO. And this was a life-size version. Wow. Yes, Star Wars stuff they had for sale for Christmas decorations outside and inside. I'm just like, wow. Wow. But the prices, wow. Oh. Now, the thing you've been waiting for. Check out these Christmas lights. Nieces and nephews, look how beautiful this is. I wish you could be here with me to see it. Oh, wait, you are here with me. Come on, let's go in. Nieces and nephews, Merry Christmas. Look at the lights. Yes, Chicago can have some beautiful lights, and I really love showing those houses especially. And the spot where I filmed the music video, that was wonderful too. That was just wonderful. Now, I hope y'all will have a cup of Christmas cheer, some eggnog, from a little Santa mug like I'm doing. Let's make 2026 a winner. You all are not alone, okay? We're sharing Christmas right now. I hope you're enjoying this. Now, I'm gonna try to go live New Year's night. I don't know if I can, but I will let you know if I do. And I've got some recipes coming up, and I've got some cozy wintertime things, and I got something from His Simple Meals by T to join me with. Let's do, I don't know, vacation in winter. Let's do at-home getaways and things we can do to survive the winter and enjoy it and pass the time while having fun. Oh yeah, I got some ideas. I got an idea. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, nieces and nephews. I couldn't have done it without you. I love you so much. Big love from Uncle Chris. No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone